I play the role of Escamillo, the Toreador from Granada in Carmen. And it's somewhat different to my first experience of this particular production in 2004 when I was in the chorus of WNO. The character of Escamillo is, he is admired throughout Spain as a prize-winning Toreador. He knows this and he just laps up the praise, and he has no need really to sort of drive this home, as it were. He can just be very, very self-assured in his own success and confidence. I think probably I have two favourite moments in Carmen. The first has obviously got to be my aria, because it is a fantastic piece of music. It's very, very enjoyable to sing, but it's fantastic to listen to as well. And it's full of Spanish flair and gusto. And the other moment, I think, is the opening of Act 4, the chorus, the opening of Act 4, when they're getting all geared up for the entrance of Escamillo for the bullfight in Seville. There's lightheartedness, there's fantastic choruses, there's wonderful arias, all in all fantastic tunes. Carmen is a great opera for tunes, and very memorable tunes also. So I think Carmen is an excellent first-time opera.